And remember, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. We're gonna keep that fridge and that pantry stocked, because whenever we need something to go grab, we're gonna be able to go grab it, and we're gonna do it the healthiest way possible, all right? All right, you're looking for some easy, healthy breakfast swaps you can use. You gotta check these out. Now these, there's no cooking involved. You're gonna try to get you around 50 grams of protein. So I'm gonna give you some ideas here. Swap these out, use these for the next 3-4 days for breakfast, and see how everything changes. I'm trying to tell you, you gotta try these out. Let me know what you think. These are super easy, okay? I'm gonna show you a few options here. You have to check these out, all right? Let's get to it. So you gotta go get you some cottage cheese, all right? I'll always like to start there. I have cottage cheese almost every single day. If you're really looking, if protein is something that's important, you really wanna get your protein up, you need to go check out some cottage cheese. My favorite, of course, is gonna be Good Culture cottage cheese. This is one I always go with. You just can't beat it, all right? If you're looking to try a cottage cheese, you've never tried it before, try to find this brand right here and give it a shot, okay? If you don't wanna buy a whole container of it, check out, because Good Culture also sells a small one, all right? So what you can do on your breakfast options, I want you to have one of these. Now, one of these containers is 19 grams of protein in one of these little containers. Actually, I was here yesterday and I got hungry, and I was about to go hit the gym, had to grab a few things. I actually just got me one of these. I had a spoon in the vehicle. I got me one of these, ate it before I went to the gym, and I was good to go. And you know what? I got 19 grams of protein that quick, okay? So keep these little ones in stock. 19 grams of protein is really gonna help you out, okay? Now, if you can't find Good Culture, because it is sold out a lot, you can always go with Daisy. Daisy comes in clutch as well, okay? This is the one that I use, Daisy. Anytime you can't find Good Culture, go find Daisy. Daisy's great as well. Now, these little containers right here, one of these little containers is 17 grams of protein, all right? That's just so easy, okay? So definitely go check these out, all right? Keep these in stock. Keep these in your fridge, because you stay ready. You don't have to get ready, all right? That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to make sure if you need a snack, go grab your cottage cheese. You're gonna get your protein. It's gonna help fill you up, and it's gonna hold you down, all right? Don't go grab that other stuff you've been grabbing that put you in this position that you're in right now, right? We gotta change it up. So if protein's really important to you and you're really trying to hit them goals, I'm trying to show you some easy ways to do it, okay? So we're gonna start our day off. Have a cottage cheese. Like I said, I have it almost every day. Usually I have it for breakfast. Sometimes I have it later on today as well as a snack, just something to hold me over, okay? So keep some cottage cheese in here. And if you don't want those little containers, of course, you can go with the bigger container of cottage cheese, all right? So there's so many different things you can do with cottage cheese as well. Just go check it out. Keep it in your fridge. It's one of my favorite things I keep in the fridge, because I'm all about hitting them protein goals. I'm gonna help you do the same, all right? So one thing that I eat almost every single morning is eggs. Now, I understand people don't have time to cook eggs. You know, it can be kind of hard. You're trying to head out the house. You don't have time to, get the pan going and, throw some butter in there, however you want to cook your eggs. But what you can do to make it super simple is just go get you some of these right here. These hard-boiled eggs, come on now, you can't get any easier than that. You just keep these in the fridge, all right? Pop you 2 of these jokers out. What I like to do personally is get these eggs, slice them in half. I grab 2 eggs, slice them in half, and I put some Tony Chachere's on the side, all right? Spice it up a little bit. It tastes great. Try it out. Check it out. If you have that, some of that bagel seasoning, you can add those onto these eggs too. It tastes great. I'm trying to tell you, okay? Super easy way to get 12 grams of protein. All you need is 2 of them. All you need is 2, all right? So definitely keep these in the fridge too for them times that you don't have time to cook your eggs. Just keep these in stock. If you're really on the go and you need something quick, bam, keep some of these in stock. It just stays in your fridge. I don't know if it can be any easier, right? You just gotta make some changes in your diet, okay? So, because remember, if nothing changes, man. So if you really wanna make some changes, I'm trying to help you out with some healthier options where you can do that, okay? Now, one other thing that I have for breakfast almost daily, or I have it sometime throughout the day, is yogurt. I cannot recommend yogurt enough. If you're trying to get your protein, yogurt is the tastiest way to do it. It's the easiest way to do it. You can do plain yogurt, you can do flavored yogurt. There's so many different options of yogurt out there. So they got yogurt for everybody, all right? One of my go-tos right here is this Chobani, boy. I'm trying to tell you, look at that. 20 grams of protein right here. If you know on these Chobanis. Let me know what your favorite yogurt is. What's your go-to yogurt that you like to get? Chobani, 20 grams of protein right there. You can, in this little container right here, okay? So just think, you mess around and mix this one and then eat this one as well, man, you're well on your way to hitting your protein goals for breakfast. Come on now, throw in 2 of them eggs, man, you cannot beat that, all right? I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to show you easy ways to do it, okay? I don't know if I can make it any easier. You don't have to cook, you don't have to do nothing. Just keep these in stock, all right? For the next, let's say the next 3 to 5 days, this is gonna be your breakfast, okay? These two right here with 2 eggs, all right? And you're gonna get you around 50 grams of protein. I'm trying to tell you, it is not that hard. You're already, so think about it. You got 50 grams of protein for breakfast. And whatever your protein goals are, make sure you're tracking everything with MyFitnessPal. Make sure you find out how much protein you're trying to get each day. I recommend going with whatever weight you want to be at. So let's say you want to get to 150 pounds. Try to get you 150 grams of protein a day. Wow, that sounds like a lot. I got you covered. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to show you how you can get, if 150 is your goal, think about it. You already got 50 grams for breakfast now. Come on. You only got 100 more to go. Watch my other videos. I'll show you how to hit that real quick with the quickness. I'm trying to tell you. My all-time favorite is going to be this one right here, ratio. If you know on ratio. Let me know if you get down ratio, all right? 25 grams of protein up in here, up in this little joker. 25 grams of protein, and these things taste great. I've made so many videos using ratio yogurts. If you know, you can find these anywhere. Walmart, Kroger, HEB, everybody has ratio. 25 grams of protein. Now, come on, you can't beat that. The same thing, you mix a ratio and you have one of these, you're well on your way to hitting your protein goals. Throw in 2 eggs, come on now. You can't beat that. You will not feel full. You'll be ready for the day. You won't be all tired and like, oh man, I ate way too much for breakfast. No, you're gonna have some energy. You're gonna be ready to go. You're gonna be ready to attack them goals. You're gonna be ready to attack your protein goals because you already hit almost 50 grams of protein now. I'm trying to tell you. So check these out, okay? Put these two together. Well, I wouldn't recommend you mix them together. I don't know how that, well, maybe you can. Maybe you can mix. Let me know if you mix them together. I don't know. I've never done it before, but let me know. Chobani says you don't have a spoon. That's all right. I got you covered. Bam. They even got these little drinks. Now, come on. 20 grams of protein. There's no more excuses. Done. Excuses are done, okay? You can switch the game up. You can switch your breakfast up. You can have you one of these. You can have your cottage cheese and 2 eggs. And I'm trying to tell you, you're going to get you over 50 grams of protein right there. It is that simple, okay? They have different flavors. They sell them at 4-packs. You can get them like that. However you want to get down. There's no more excuses, okay? You have to just keep these in stock. Go buy a few of these, keep these in the fridge, and then you stay ready, right? If you need a snack in the middle of the day, you're like, man, I'm not trying to go to them old snacks I used to go to. Go grab you one of these. You got to hold yourself accountable, okay? There's no more excuses. If you want to make some changes, you have to make some changes. You know what I'm saying? So there it is. This is a super easy way that I get my protein, almost 50 grams of protein in the morning, and I'm trying to help you do the same. If you don't like eggs, go ahead and just subtract that 12 grams of protein from the breakfast. Just have you the cottage cheese and the yogurt. Can't beat it, all right? It is so simple. You have to add these into your routine. Let me know what some of your favorite yogurts are. Let me know your go-to cottage cheese and the way that you eat your hard-boiled eggs too, because like I said, I just put some Tony Sashers on there, but if you have something else I can use with the eggs, let me know, man. I'll try it out. But let me know what you think on this whole video. I'm here to help you out. I'm here to help you hit your protein goals because it's so important. And remember, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. We're gonna keep that fridge and that pantry stocked because whenever we need something to go grab, we're gonna be able to go grab it and we're gonna do it the healthiest way possible, all right? So let me know what you think on this video. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.